All right, this is video number 9. And the last video I ran out of time because I can only do 10 minutes at a time with the 4K recording on my phone. So I actually did not open this yet, so I'm like, all right, might as well do that. It's a little mini keyboard I got. Because that's actually kind of heavy, which is fine. But it's actually surprisingly heavy for its size. I mean, not like it's made out of metal or anything. But yeah, so it's Bluetooth. What's really awesome is you can connect up to 3 devices. So you could be on one screen doing something and then boom, switch to your phone, boom, switch to your tablet, number 1, computer, whatever you want to do. And then you can just bam, 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 switch between devices if you need to. And so yeah, I wanted something for the vehicle that wasn't, it's like I don't need a number pad because I'm not going to be doing that stuff. But I wanted something that, if I need to type in an address, because like my screen's a touch screen. But I wanted to have this just as a means to where, maybe the passenger needs to type something in for me because it's easier while I'm driving or whatever the case. I think it was 25 or 30 bucks or something like that. It was really cheap. Cheap enough. Not like I need to try to save 10 bucks and buy a $15 one. Everything I'm doing with this project is more about quality and functionality. So anyways, that's really nice. I like that. I like how that feels. Oh, I thought I was supposed to have 2 packages, but I do. All right, so this goes with one of the things from the last video. And this is the bulkhead GPS receiver. So where this actually goes on top of the vehicle and then through the top, because they have ones that are magnetic and stuff, but I wanted something permanent. And so yeah, I got a nice GPS antenna. It's supposed to be really high quality. It had really good reviews on Amazon. It's made by Global Stat, MR-350PS4. Now this is the 5 gigahertz. So one thing I learned about these things is I was choosing one. You have 2 different types. You have 1 hertz and 5 hertz. And so what that means is the 1 hertz updates every 1 second and the 5 hertz updates 5 times every second. So when you're driving, obviously you would rather have it update 5 times a second than 1. And it's just a better unit. So, like I said, no use on skimping on things. Solid state drive 6. This is a bad boy right here. This is for my computer system. This is an M.2 solid state drive, and this is that's right, I was like, wait, yeah, 2 terabytes. 2 terabytes out of this little thing. It was kind of expensive, but this is an M.2. These things are so fast. So that's what it looks like. It has its own little special slot that it goes into in the computer. And so you put your operating system on this thing, and oh my god, it'll just come right up. Your loading time is going to be like hardly anything. But 2 terabytes. I wanted to make sure I had plenty of space for everything I was doing. And things, future-proofing, because future-proofing is important. It's definitely important. So this right here, I hope this is going to work. So that's a mount for my 15.6 inch 4K monitor, and it has like it's like spring loaded here. Yeah, obviously it's not all connected and stuff, so it's not gonna. That's gonna be pretty hard to maneuver that right now. But anyways, this it swivels 360 at the base. It swivels another 360 at the middle knuckle, and then it swivels, I think, like 180 at the TV mount, the monitor mount. And so the reason why I need something like this, and why I'm hoping this is going to work, it wasn't actually that much money. It looks like everybody had good reviews for it. Yeah, it was worth the money just to give it a try, because I need something that I can have mounted and have in one location for the monitor, and I need to be able to move it. And that moving part of it, that actually that's my very special thing that I'm doing for the vehicle that I'm saving to the very end. At the end of one of the videos, maybe number 5 or number 6, at the end I brought in a couple packages, and I was like, hey, a little teaser here. This stuff is one of my crazy ideas that I'm doing, and this is actually part of that crazy idea. Anyways, whatever with that. Put that in there later. Oh my God, I think 2.5 minutes. Yep. Wow, this is actually quite a large box for how small this thing is. Boy, I barely got 2 minutes, right? Yep. So, this is the computer. This comes in quite a giant box, and it has a really interesting feel to the material. This is the UDO Bolt V8. And yeah, this is the computer that I got. It's almost like a single board. It's kind of, when you pull up single board computers, the SBC, you know, which is like a Raspberry Pi. This comes up in those conversations. But this thing is a Raspberry PC on like crazy steroids. This thing is just over the top badass. And yeah, it's a lot more money, but I'm trying to future-proof things like I already mentioned. And this comes with a super cool looking case. Obviously it's not in there right now, but I got multiple USBs, 2 HDMIs, but then the C, those are outputs too, so you can actually have 4 4K outputs running at the exact same time. That's definitely more than what I need. And then here's the board. And we're probably gonna run out of time here. Any second now, 10 seconds. Yep. Oh, well, I guess we're just gonna have to wait on this. All right, guys.